Hi guys, now we will open up to see this new vacuum cleaner that I have found, but is with this knuckle that is in this movement 180 degree. So let's open up. It was barely broken. Let's see what's inside and to see the potentiometer inside. In those other videos I have showed you those that have linear potentiometer. Those are circular potentiometer. So guys, as you can see here is 220 to 240 volts, 50 to 60 hertz. Nominal is 1600 watt and maximum is 1800 watt. So let's open up. So guys, don't forget it have even this screw here that is attached underneath. Also it have this screw that was under this rotary here, rule, under this input lug. So let's open up even this. So I open it up and you can see this board, this triac, this circuit that goes into the motor, this switch, and this potentiometer that was attached with wires here. Let me turn on the power to see how it look like. So guys, let's turn on the power. We adjust here. So I turned it off. Now I carefully remove it from the receptacles and we will proceed to take those parts, even the motor. So guys, the connection of this is like this. It enters from main supply, goes here in this tambour. It goes the phase in an interrupter switch that is here. It gets outputted and goes in this board and it shows AC 1 in and it motor 1 out.